Ugh. We have this freight train stopped right here. Just taking a break while the white passenger train comes by. Oh my gosh!
Usual, no.
Oh no! Ketchup! Come on! Come on! Oh! It's going way too fast. I wonder what's gonna happen if they come over here though. I think they're gonna race each other. Yes, they are! Look at them, they're racing! Oh no, I think the white one's faster than the yellow one. The white one's passing through the farm country. And look, the yellow one is taking the lead. Oh no, looks like the yellow one's gonna win for sure. It's going to be dangerous. They even got the mayor's train sitting there. It's doing nothing.
Our next door closed, guys and women, your door guys come to the Piedmont District booth at the front of the door.